Welcome back! Imagine stepping outside to a garden that's always bursting with color, no matter the season. Too often we watch our gardens fade as the seasons change, leaving us waiting for the next bloom. But what if your garden could be vibrant all year? Today I'll reveal my top 10 plants that bloom non-stop, turning your space into a year-round sanctuary. These are the reliable workhorses that keep your garden alive and colorful no matter what. Ready to build a garden that never sleeps? Let's dig in! And if you love the idea of endless blooms, hit that like button. Number 10 on our list is the resilient lantana, a true champion of color, toughness, and adaptability. This plant is famous for its ability to thrive where others struggle, making it a favorite among gardeners who want beauty without the hassle. Lantana absolutely loves sunshine, soaking up the rays and rewarding you with clusters of flowers that shift colors as they mature. This creates a mesmerizing sunset effect, with blooms that can be pink, orange, yellow, or even purple, all on the same plant. It's incredibly drought-resistant and low-maintenance, making it perfect for busy gardeners or anyone living in hot, dry climates. Once established, lantana needs very little water and can handle neglect with ease. One of the best things about lantana is how much butterflies love it. Planting lantana means you'll attract monarchs, swallowtails, and a variety of other pollinators, turning your garden into a lively, colorful haven for wildlife. You can use lantana to fill those tricky sunny spots, let it spill beautifully over containers, or even create a carefree, flowering hedge along your garden path. Its versatility makes it a go-to choice for creative garden designs. Lantana asks for very little, but gives back so much, offering constant color, texture, and life to your outdoor space from spring through fall, and sometimes even longer in warmer climates. If you're ready to try it, I've linked a great variety in the description below. There are so many colors and forms to choose from, so you can find the perfect fit for your garden. Just imagine your yard alive with vibrant color and fluttering butterflies, not just for a few weeks, but all season long. Lantana makes that dream possible. With its long-lasting blooms and easy care, lantana truly is the foundation of a forever blooming garden. It's easy, beautiful, and always reliable. No wonder it's a staple in gardens around the world. Add lantana to your garden and enjoy effortless, vibrant blooms that keep coming back year after year. Now, let's move to our next unstoppable bloomer and see what other wonders await your garden. Number 9 is bougainvillea, the ultimate showstopper. This plant is a true icon of vibrant gardens, instantly recognizable for its dazzling display of color. Whether you spot it climbing up a sun-drenched wall or spilling over a fence, bougainvillea always commands attention and brings a sense of celebration to any space. Its vivid bracts, not the flowers, create a cascade of color: magenta, orange, purple, and more. These papery bracts surround the tiny, delicate white flowers at the center, making the plant look like it's covered in confetti. The range of colors is truly spectacular, and some varieties even change shades as the season progresses. Bougainvillea loves full sun and thrives in hot spots where other plants struggle. It's drought-tolerant once established, making it a fantastic choice for low-maintenance gardens or areas with intense summer heat. The more sunlight it gets, the more profusely it blooms, rewarding you with a non-stop show. Train it up a trellis, over an arbor, or let it spill from a container for a Mediterranean vibe. Its vigorous growth makes it perfect for creating living walls, dramatic archways, or even as a sprawling ground cover in larger spaces. The possibilities for creative garden design are endless with bougainvillea. Even in pots, it's easy to manage and can be brought indoors during frost. This makes bougainvillea accessible to gardeners in cooler climates too. Just give it a sunny window and it will continue to brighten your home through the winter months. A potted bougainvillea by your door is a bold, joyful welcome. Its vibrant hues instantly lift the mood and make any entryway feel inviting and full of life. It's a simple way to add a touch of the tropics to your everyday routine. Want to add drama and energy to your space? Check the link below for a beautiful variety. There are so many cultivars to choose from, whether you prefer classic magenta or something more unusual like golden yellow or deep red. Bougainvillea is a celebration of color. Never subtle, always stunning. It transforms any garden into a vibrant oasis, and its resilience means you'll enjoy its beauty year after year. It's perfect for anyone craving a garden that feels like a tropical escape. With bougainvillea, you can bring a slice of paradise right to your doorstep, no matter where you live. Let's keep the color going with our next pick. On to number 8. Number 8 is kalanchoe, a small succulent with big blooming power. It produces clusters of star-shaped flowers in pink, yellow, orange, and white, often blooming for months. Kalanchoe is forgiving. Its thick leaves store water, so it's perfect for beginners or busy gardeners. It thrives both outdoors and indoors, brightening windowsills year-round. Group several together for a vibrant, long-lasting centerpiece. Kalanchoe proves beauty doesn't have to be complicated. It's a steady, cheerful presence in any space. Add it to your collection for effortless, continuous color. Next, let's bring the tropics home. Number 7 is the iconic hibiscus, your ticket to a tropical paradise at home. Its huge, vivid blooms appear in endless succession, especially in warm climates. Each flower lasts just a day or two, but new ones open constantly, so your garden is never without color. Hibiscus thrives in sun and loves regular water and feeding. Grow it in the ground or in containers. Bring it indoors for winter if needed. It's a true centerpiece, adding glamour and a vacation vibe to any garden. With hibiscus, every day feels like summer. Ready for a shade-loving classic? Let's go to number 6. Number 6 is impatiens, the go-to for shady spots. They transform dark corners into carpets of color, blooming non-stop until frost. Impatiens thrive in shade and moist soil, asking little but giving plenty. Perfect for containers, hanging baskets, and borders, they fill spaces quickly and create lush, full displays. Choose from soft pastels to bold reds and fuchsias. Mix colors for a playful look or plant a single shade for impact. Impatiens are the backbone of a beautiful shade garden. They prove even the shadiest spots can shine. Let's brighten things up with our next classic. Number 5 is the timeless geranium. Classic, cheerful, and endlessly versatile. With clusters of vibrant flowers and sometimes fragrant leaves, geraniums thrive in sun or partial shade. They're perfect for window boxes, pots, and borders, adapting to almost any space. Drought-tolerant and easy to care for, just deadhead spent blooms for continuous color. Geraniums bridge formal and cottage styles, adding charm wherever they grow. A pot of red geraniums on your doorstep is a universal symbol of welcome. Dependable and beautiful, they're a must-have for any garden. Now, let's meet the ultimate survivor. Number 4 is portulaca, also known as moss rose, the ultimate plant for anyone who thinks they can't grow flowers, or for those who have struggled to keep anything alive in the garden. If you're looking for a flower that practically thrives on neglect, this is the one for you. This cheerful succulent forms a dense mat of slender, needle-like leaves and explodes with electric, rose-like blooms in hot pink, orange, yellow, and red. The flowers open wide in the sun, creating a carpet of color that instantly brightens up any space. Portulaca is famous for thriving in the harshest conditions: heat, blazing sun, and even poor sandy or rocky soil. If you have a spot in your yard where nothing else will grow, portulaca will not only survive, it will flourish and fill that space with life. Forget to water? No problem at all. Its succulent leaves act as tiny water reservoirs, storing moisture for dry spells and making portulaca incredibly drought-tolerant. Even during the hottest summer days, it keeps on blooming. Another bonus, portulaca self-seeds generously. Once you plant it, you'll find new seedlings popping up year after year with almost zero effort on your part. It's like getting a free flower show every season. All you need to do is sprinkle the seeds on the soil, give them a good watering once, and then just sit back and watch the magic unfold. No complicated care routine required. Portulaca is truly the definition of low-maintenance, high-reward gardening. With minimal care, you get maximum color and beauty. It's perfect for those tough, hard-to-plant spots, between walkway cracks, on sunny slopes, or anywhere that's too dry for most flowers. Portulaca will happily fill in and thrive. I've linked a great seed mix below. Give it a try and see just how easy it is to add color to your garden, even if you're a beginner. With portulaca, your garden will always have a vibrant splash of color, no matter how hot, dry, or challenging the conditions get. Ready for more? Let's move on to a plant that thrives in both sun and shade. On to number 3. Number 3 is begonia, famous for non-stop blooms and beautiful foliage. Wax and tuberous begonias offer flowers in white, pink, and red, plus glossy leaves for extra interest. They're adaptable, thriving in sun or shade, and perfect for borders, containers, or hanging baskets. Tuberous types cascade with lush blooms, adding elegance to shady spots. Begonias are low fuss. Just give them well-drained soil and a bit of protection from harsh sun. They balance beauty and reliability, making them a garden staple. Add begonias for color that lasts from spring to frost. Now, let's talk about a true floral powerhouse. Number 2 is petunia, the definition of floral abundance. From spring to frost, petunias cover themselves in trumpet-shaped blooms in every color imaginable. Trailing varieties spill from baskets and planters, creating a cascade of color. Petunias love sun and reward you with non-stop flowers if you feed them regularly. Many new types are self-cleaning, so maintenance is easy. They bring energy and joy to any sunny spot. Plant petunias for instant, high-impact color all season. And now, for our number 1 forever bloomer. Number 1 is the African violet, a houseplant that blooms year-round no matter the weather. Its fuzzy leaves and jewel-toned flowers brighten any windowsill, offering gentle, continuous color. African violets thrive in bright, indirect light and prefer bottom watering to keep their leaves dry. Once you learn their rhythm, they're easy to care for and endlessly rewarding. A collection of African violets is like a mini indoor garden that never stops blooming. They prove you don't need outdoor space to enjoy flowers every day. For true 365-day blooms, African violets are unbeatable. They bring life and calm to your home all year long. Let's wrap up with how to create your own forever blooming garden. There you have it, 10 plants for a garden that never has an off-season. Combine sun lovers like lantana and portulaca with shade stars like impatiens and begonias, and bring African violets indoors for year-round color. I've made a free cheat sheet with all these plants and care tips. Grab it from the link in the description. Which plant will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more gardening secrets. Next up, 5 plants that naturally repel mosquitoes. Until then, happy gardening!